What's up, you guys? It's your girl Suzie back again with another video. In this video, I am restyling my hair. I simply had my hair out in the front, and in the back it was just pushed up into a ponytail. I have to wet my hair so that it's easier for me to pull my hair apart and start combing it. It is always important to comb the end of your hair all the way to your roots. So now I'm going to section out my hair so that I can part my two braids in the front. Trying to part like in the back of your head is always the hardest. So usually I try to feel for the part and then just part it, and I just leave it. If it come out straight, A+. If it doesn't, oh well, I'm gonna still keep it like that and keep it moving.
What is this? No. Why are you opening it? Stop. Stop what you're doing. Yes, no. Yes, put it down. Now get that oil that everybody's raving about. You know what I'm talking about. Stop playing stupid.
Okay, so what am I supposed to use now?
The Loc God Stimulating Oil. The oil. You know what I'm talking about. You know. Yup, that is. Go ahead and get that oil. Yup.
Okay.
Ooh, yes. You gotta show them what you're working with, girl. Okay. Yes, you already know what's up. Go ahead and open it up. Come on, you got it. The people are watching. That thing smells good. Yup. In this oil, all the ingredients will be listed in the description down below. But I've learned that with this oil, you want to be careful. You don't want to use too much. It is a high quality product. So just use it like it's high quality. And be sure to get all areas that are in need of oil. And this is the oil. So dab here and there. And it will leave your scalp tingling. And the smell is great.
For more information about this oil, it will be listed in the description down below.
A snob is a guy that thinks he's flying, this also known as a buster. Always talking about what he wants and just sits on his broke ass. So no, I don't want your number. No, I don't wanna give you my head. No, I don't wanna meet you nowhere. I don't want no scrub.
Alright, you guys, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to look in the description for more information about this oil. And like, comment, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for post notifications for whenever I upload a video. You'll be notified right away. And that's it for today's video. Suzie is out of here.